thingamabob. Disabled beast.
I'm going to
Have a beer.
I don't do that.
Here's another one.
When they leave, I'm going to put cones across the driveway.
Oh. That doesn't stop people. They just park out there and walk.
They won't walk up right here.
It's what
It might be one of Dan's friends, too.
Yeah, but these...
Oh, really?
Yeah. All right.
And if they were Dan's friends, they would have announced themselves, too.
I would think so,
Yeah,
but they didn't.
Anybody that works for Dan or
Right.
is associated with him will come up and say, hi, my name is blah, 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 and blah.
Right, and they didn't.
And they didn't.
Right. I love that thing. What else does she need?
Nothing to like, oh, she's all set up. She's ready to go.
No, I mean, because people need things, like a little shelf, a table, whatever, to make her stream seamless. You know what I mean? More seamless?
She's got everything I think she needs. If she don't, I get it to her.
Where is the kitchen on there? Kitchen. I keep going down, but it's not. My God.
Okay, you get the basement. There's a kitchen right here.
Okay, but I keep moving the camera down to get away from the ceiling because not a lot happens on the ceiling.
Oh, you're good. You're good where you are.
Okay. Now I got to get the cord from Marty that's going to go in the basement. And I'm done.
How big is the drive in here?
How big is my what?
How big is the drive in the DVR?
Filthy old man. What'd you say? 2 terabytes.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of room.
Yeah, for the weekend.
For today?
You can't put styrofoam in the microwave. That causes cancer.
You can put your Styrofoam in there.
Okay, I thought you did.
Oh, I put my Tim Hortons cup in, and here's another trick.
Oh, that stuff makes me crap all over.
Is it?
Yeah.
All over? You don't use the bathroom?
Yeah, I better make it to the bathroom where I'm, you want to go downstairs with Marty, or are you afraid? I got a gas mask for your own.
Anything in this house. The air down here is very bad.
I know. So I said I have a gas mask for you.
I don't like anybody.
We were supposed to go live at like 4 o'clock. I did a thing, and it said live at 4, and I guess I'll have to apologize.
Are you on
people.
Steve?
No, you're on crack because you didn't see it, and then you weren't here for it, so I'm like, oh, now I owe these people an apology. Oh, well.
I didn't say we were going live at 4.
I did.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm crazy.
You are that.
And then they couldn't do the test. And I had to pay for it out of my pocket, so they said, well, no, yeah, they want it back. So then, they did the test.
Quiet, I like it quiet.
Yeah, I don't like the fan ones.
I'm going to have to get another chair for her. I don't know where the one chair went. It's out here. Yeah, there's one, but there's 2 missing. So, I'll give her this.
Who are you talking about?
There's 2 chairs missing around here.
Yeah, I know, but you said I'll give her this. Who are you talking about?
Angel, she's going to sit here on broadcast in a little bit. Or does she want to stand? No, she's sitting right here.
Okay.
See it set up that way? I'm going to smoke.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Thank you, Marty. You want me to come down there with you? Are you scared? No, he's not scared. He don't give a flying shit about Angel. He's not scared. So, do you have the side of the thing for me? That is for me? Do you have the thing that's for me? Where would you need it? Which corner? I need. You didn't tell me. You said there was a picture, but I never seen it. Right. It's on one of those 2 far ends. It's probably not behind the water pipe thing. It's probably. And you can go.
I'll come with you.
I can go. I'm gonna.
Okay, well, you have it.
In a corner facing the whole thing, because this is 98 degrees. I think there's a corner. If you go downstairs and turn right and keep going. Not right here, this corner. Go downstairs, turn right, and keep going and put it in the corner on the left. How's that? No. Go that way and put it on the left corner. You should have enough wire. I don't know what you're doing.
Several times you changed.
Whenever they session.
And you called up a couple of times and said, I'm.
Example.
Then I'm just gonna have to wind it all up.
Well, there's been a couple of times when you moved it up and out.
Yeah.
You said about your goal.
Get over there, but okay.
So maybe it'll be like stick something in your arm.
Probably there.
Six or eight. I would make that. I wouldn't say on other people. But then again, I wouldn't do
And,
it.
let me plug it in and tell you.
People ask you. Experiencing the worst thing I've ever experienced.
Okay, I think I'm gonna take this. Pull this out from inside. Go this way. This way. And there. Go out here. Go up here. I didn't get any food, man. Oh.
Yeah,
Who are you talking to?
I still want to get him something else, because I don't like what you got for him for me. I got her more
I didn't
monetary.
I didn't get this hooked up there. I didn't get this hooked up on that. Can you put this on that nail up there? I was gonna tell you after I got it plugged in to go up or down or whatever. Can you put this on that nail and then string it across instead of having me do it all? There's a nail in the corner. All you gotta do is look at it. I know you have to get a step stool.
I'm totally
Huh?
disbelieving right now that nobody's been up here yet.
They have. Oh, you mean it goes?
No, people now, since I've come, because usually when I come up here, people go, oh, usually go up there now.
Oh! Locals?
God, those scammers are nice.
Locals? Who?
Ooh, looky-loos.
Oh, those people.
Yeah. There are a lot here, eh?
Yep. I
I'll
could,
ask Dan when he's supposed to come out.
yeah, there's always somebody coming around here. Can you make the nail with a hammer?
Can't make any.
Okay, then can you give me the hammer and I'll go up there and do it.
No, you don't understand. I don't think there's.
I know, I gotta change the
There's
nail.
nothing behind it.
I gotta change the nail. I understand what I have to do.
And you're gonna. Look, there's nothing there.
Marty, I have to change the nail. That's what I gotta do, yeah. Or I even have a better plan. So,
You need a hook. It's like I said, well, you should have got hooks. Here.
Dan's on his way.
oh, goody! Can you entertain him for me? Because I'm busy. Can you wrap this around those and put it on the electric wire? How about that? Can you do that?
Or I can hook it on that nail, but
I don't know if I care. Let me get around you so I can finish the job while you're doing that. I don't want to wait. There's too many people going to be here.
What do you need, Wade?
A Miller Lite, but there's no drinking here, so I'm screwed.
Drink here.
Doesn't everyone?
I don't know.
Yes. I have to fix the drapes fell down.
The only rule I think is that you can't smoke in the house.
No, but you can't have any alcohol here.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
And that's okay. That's okay. I'm a big boy. I don't need it. You can't get that one either, can you?
What you want? What? What do you need?
That nail right in the center.
It's okay, but hey, yes, nobody cares but you.
Okay, I'll get. Oh, you got the thing. Okay. Can you?
What do you want?
You know what? I think I am going to get some of these because I don't need with sound. Because
Why?
Because
If you're gonna do anything, get sound.
I use my computer for sound
Oh, true.
for the drums and the music.
Well, they sell this in 2s and 3s. You don't have to buy it.
Well, I know. I'm going to buy a 3-1, but not that name brand because
They
I
got-
ain't spending over $700 fucking dollars.
They got 2s or 4s in this name brand. Did you get them on that nail?
Yeah, no way. Is there anything I can do?
I think you're not going to be able to do anything while you're here because as soon as you get all this shit up, it's going to take you 3 days to take it out.
I kind of have a sneaking suspicion. It's gonna take.
Vacation time.
It's gonna take time to get down. Who's on vacation?
That's my uncle there. Oh,
I wish I was on vacation.
you are until the 21st.
I wouldn't call this vacation at all.
No, but if you need an extra day, they ain't gonna charge you nothing.
You know, you said that to me, and he's listening to us right now.
Well, he'll tell you.
And I want to know why he said that. Because you didn't say why he said that.
Because you support the house so much, because you're a great guy. You're
saying that. No, I don't want you to call him. I hate
I'm not
when you
going to
call
call
people.
anybody.
Oh.
You're going to read.
Because you didn't explain to me why he said that.
Well, I did if you pay attention.
Well, you
You
might.
talked so damn much and didn't hear me.
Oh, for Smarty, can you get me a twist tie so I can twist this together?
What color?
Any color. Oh, you're joking. What did you just say?
Baker's, Polly.
We're going to go to Father Baker's. What's that? Is that a restaurant? I'm in.
You know, it's a church.
It is not. Here's a Bible. Oh, shot. He could
shoot. He could have went. It's just sitting there. I wouldn't have charged him. God don't tell me that now. He's already here. Hey, if you guys want to head down there at any time, I'm fine with it. Not a problem. He's a great guy, and his support of the house is amazing.
See, that's the part I didn't like.
I did hear. I said it to you. I read it to you.
All right. I got all on. Now I'm going to sit down for a minute. Oh, my God.
He's got to behave.
Who's got to behave?
I tell him stuff and he doesn't hear me.
I don't believe you or something, you know.
I just had to show him the text one day and said.
Yeah. I guess you did. What did you say, Marty? I can't hear you.
Where's the living room?
He can't hear you, Marty.
It's laying down. Living room is it's hooked up already.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, all you have to do is, I wish you'd put it on the wall for me, but you don't seem to want to. Yeah, I was with you guys. But I need to sell it. My coffee's still on the table. Oh, jab. You don't get that I'm in a rush, and I don't know where the blue Phillips went. Must have left it outside. Oh, there. Can you put those tools over on that table or in the toolbox? Oh. Yeah, can you do that for me?
Oh, what about the kind of No, that's a winner. No, I sprayed it because of the smokers. Mike?
What?
You're getting a phone call. I think it's you.
I'm busy.
It might be Angel's. I can't tell whose phone it is.
I'm sorry.
Is that your phone? Looks like somebody beat it with a hammer.
I promised I'd be ready, and I'm not ready, so I gotta get.
It's not you. Go back to sleep.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm not too sure.
I don't care.
They're all pretty. That one was
Can you tell me if I need to go down with this or up or sideways for a minute? Or whatever you think.
You know, like, this is like,
Oh, I don't know if that's wrong. No, it's not legal.
Living room. Where is the living room? Is that the living room? Wow, that's a pretty good picture.
All the way from over there? In the basement? Did you see the basement?
No, I didn't get to look at that either. It's facing way too far up. It's looking at the ceiling. Yeah, it needs to come down.
Come down or look down.
It's got to look down. The basement's looking at the ceiling. What's that?
Let me see.
Okay, but I got key.
You got a B. Well, then B.
That's so funny over there.
I know it's boring, but you can't focus on the board. But sometimes I do fucking like
No, I'm peeing.
Where is my goddamn
I'll
coffee?
wait here. Okay, where are we? Basement. You want me to look at the basement? I wonder if she's going to be able to work live. More down. And this, I got to fix this. It's looking at the ceiling.
Which one is that?
Crawl space.
Oh, okay. Oh, geez, yeah, it says right there, Paul. Look at
Well, gifting tree. You can't really see it. And this is 300 feet is bad. 300 feet is
yeah,
bad.
it's gotta be.
And 300, right.
You gotta use RG58, RG8. No,
Yeah, but those
RG58.
cameras don't have that. They
No,
don't have
the cable.
I don't think it does that. It's only got what it's got. You know, it's kind of, it's kind of, you know, kind of stuck in its
Are you technically advanced? Because most people wouldn't. Oh my God, spaghetti up the ass on that stove.
Yeah, I know. Haven't had time to make it look pretty.
You don't need to make it.
Yes! If you go to college, they tell you
you're not in college, you're in the dandy.
They tell you to make it look pretty. Can you go down with the camera a little more? It's still looking up. Oh my God. He's done. He's coming back up. He turned the light off. Oh my God. This isn't pretty, but that's okay. Wish I could turn this on.
That's good, Marty.
Thank you. It's still up too high.
Yeah, see the mics.
I gotta find the volume. Oh my God, you and your mic.
How the hell are you going to hear all 16 cameras talking at the same time?
You're not. I need to turn the volume down so I don't have to listen to that beeping shit. Come on, how do you do that?
No, it's not down too low.
It's on 91. I don't have my finger on it.
Holy shit.
Well, holy shit, what?
You.
It should be very easy to push this button.
a heart attack.
2 heart attacks. I'm pushing down. 80. It only seems to work by leaning the thing forward, so I'll just do it this way. The second I set it up, it won't. The volume won't.
I only told you to have one now because they're coming.
I'm going to.
They're going to drive you nuts for.
I'm going to let you talk because I'm busy. I'm not here to talk.
That's all you've been doing.
You're right.